In this section, you define how you handle customers in QuickBooks for your online orders. There are two main options. You want to create customers in QuickBooks for your online orders, or you do not want your customer list in QuickBooks to grow and you just want to use one customer in QuickBooks and record all the online sales against that one customer. Let's look at the first option. So if I choose this option, create customers in QuickBooks, what I'm telling the system is to create a unique customer in QuickBooks for all my online orders. Now the key here is the word unique. We need to tell QuickBooks a way to create a unique customer name. In QuickBooks, the unique customer name is the customer name that appears at the top of the customer screen. So this customer name is the unique customer name in QuickBooks. Now to automate, we need to define a naming scheme which can create unique customer names for us in QuickBooks. The most common combination is a combination of first name, last name, and email to make it more unique. So in this case, we are telling the system to make up a unique customer name in QuickBooks with the first name and a space and a last name and a space and email. We use the email at the end to make the name more unique, so we do not have two different customers with the same first name and last name, but they are two different individuals. So if this is the combination, first name space last name space email, the T-Hub will create a customer in QuickBooks in this fashion. It'll take the first name, put a space, put the last name, put a space, and put an email at the end to create a unique customer name. Note that the customer's first name, last name, contact, email, all the other information would still be stored in the relevant fields. The unique name is just to create a unique name in QuickBooks. If you choose this option, we tell T-Hub to update existing customers in QuickBooks if the same customer orders on our website again. So if there is a repeat customer, choosing this option would allow us to update customer address information, for example, in QuickBooks if the same customer orders again. For creating new customers in QuickBooks, we can define a customer type we can set in QuickBooks so we know that these customers came from the website. If we choose this option, use company name use company from web store if available, what this does is if we have on your website, if you capture company name as part of your order checkout screen, you can use the company name as the unique customer name in QuickBooks. So let's say you get a lot of repeat orders from Ace Hardware as the company. So if anybody from Ace Hardware orders on your website and they use the company name as Ace Hardware, T-Hub will create one customer in QuickBooks called Ace Hardware with the company name and record all their transactions against that one customer in QuickBooks. In the second option, we do not want our QuickBooks, our customer list in QuickBooks to grow, so we can define one customer in QuickBooks and record all the sales against that one customer. Now, for example, let's say if you sell on Amazon and you don't really want to record all the customers coming from Amazon in QuickBooks, what you can do is you can just create a customer in QuickBooks called Amazon, and here you specify the name of the customer from your QuickBooks file. So all the Amazon orders would be recorded as transactions against that one customer in QuickBooks.